Namaste. Today we are learning Agnisar Kriya. This is very powerful a yogic technique directly work on your digestion system. It will massage your digestion organs, improve your digestive system, and when you improve your digestion system, everything is improved. So how to do it? I'm going to tell you. So you slightly bend legs and keep palms on your thighs. So you're not using abdominal muscles. Sometimes I call it jelly belly. So I'm just showing you my jelly belly. Around, up, and then your palms on your thigh. Exhale, hold breath out, and make your belly in and out. Looks like that. Then you inhale, exhale again, hold breath out, and moving your belly in and out. Then again inhale, exhale, and exhale. You do this practice 5 to 10 rounds. It has so many benefits. It prevents constipation. It works on your adrenal gland, pineal gland. It works on your intestine. It works on your digestion. It works everything related to your digestion. And people have the sensitive food, this and that, it can get work. It can get fixed. And that is the Agnisar Kriya. Namaste. Thank you very much. And enjoy your Agnisar Kriya. If you have digestive issues or you want to prevent any digestive issues. Agnisar Kriya. Hari Om.